Hello viewer, in today's video, we will talk about all of Adobe's products, that is Premiere Pro, After Effects, Illustrator, or Photoshop. In all such software that they have, a warning is showing, which is this app has been disabled. Or for many, a warning might be showing that it will be disabled in 2 days, maybe for some in 5 days, for some in 7 days, a warning like this is showing. So why is this happening? The reason for this is that this problem is happening to those of us who use cracked software. If we had bought a license with money, meaning if we used it with an activation key, then we would not have had this problem. So in today's video, we will see how we can use the cracked software again, like before, without paying them any kind of money. That's what we will see in today's video. So let's get started. So for this, first, we have to close the software. For this, just click on Explore All Plans from here. Then the app will automatically close. The next task is to go to the search bar from here. After going there, write Firewall. From here, click on Firewall and Network Protection. Then from the bottom, Advanced Settings. From here, click Yes. After coming here, we have to do 2 things. One is inbound rules and another is outbound rules. We have to do both of those tasks. So first, we will work with inbound rules. For this, click on Inbound Rules. After that, it will look like this. From here, click on New Rule. Then, while this is ticked, you click on Next from here. After coming here, you have to provide the path of the software here. It can be Illustrator, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects. For whichever such software you want to do this, you have to provide its path here. For this, you will click on the Windows icon. Then you will place the mouse cursor over the software whose path you want to find, and just right button click. After that, from here More, and from More, Open File Location, meaning wherever your file location is, you will click there. After this, look, here on my end, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, these have opened. After this, I selected Illustrator from here, then right-click the mouse. After that, from here, click on Properties. After this, the option named Target, the file path next to it, you will click and copy that. After that, you will go back to the previous option. After coming here, just paste it here. After pasting this, you will see there are 2 inverted commas on both sides. You will remove this one from here, and from this side, remove this one too. After removing both, just click on Next from here. After that, click on Block the Connection, then Next. After that, again Next. So here, you will give the name of that software. So here I am giving Adobe Illustrator. After that, Finish. Now we will work with Outbound. For this, click on Outbound Rules. So, like before, click on New Rule from here. From here again, while Program is selected, click on Next. The path that you had copied before, paste that here. So I am pasting. So again, like before, you will remove the inverted commas. After that, click on Next again. After this, Block the Connection will remain here. After that, Next, and after that also Next. Here you will give the previous name, Adobe Illustrator. After that, click on Finish. So now we will check to see if our software actually works or not. So let's go and see. So now I will open my Illustrator software. For this, I clicked on the Start menu. After that, from here, I am using the Adobe Illustrator 2023 version. I clicked on it. Let's see if it works for us. So now we can use it as we wish, just like we used to before. For this, we will no longer have to pay Adobe. And besides doing this work, there is another way you can use any of your Adobe products. That is, if you turn off your net connection, turn off this net connection from here, then this problem will not happen anymore. This was today's video. How was the video? Definitely comment in the comment box and definitely subscribe to the channel. Thank you.